Greetings! As organisations strive to measure, report and reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, carbon accounting has become an essential practice. However, this process can be complex, and even small mistakes can lead to inaccurate data and ineffective emission reduction strategies. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common mistakes in carbon accounting and provide guidance on how to avoid them. The first is improper boundary setting. One of the most crucial steps in carbon accounting is setting organisational and operational boundaries. Failing to accurately define these boundaries can result in excluding or double counting emission sources. To avoid this, ensure that you clearly define your organisation's boundaries, including all facilities, subsidiaries and operations over which you have operational control or financial ownership. The second is incomplete data collection. Carbon accounting relies heavily on accurate and comprehensive data collection. Overlooking emission sources or failing to gather data from all relevant activities can lead to significant gaps in your inventory. To avoid this, develop robust data collection processes and engage with relevant stakeholders such as suppliers and contractors to ensure that you have access to the necessary information. The third is inconsistent methodology. Inconsistent methodologies can make it challenging to compare emissions over time or benchmark against industry peers. Establish a standardized approach aligned with recognized protocols like the Greenhouse Gas Protocol or ISO 14064. To avoid doing this, clearly document your methodology, assumptions, and any changes made over time to ensure transparency and consistency. The fourth is inaccurate emission factors. Emission factors are used to convert activity data, like fuel consumption or electricity usage, into greenhouse gas emissions. Using outdated or inappropriate emission factors can result in significant errors in your calculations. To avoid this, regularly review and update your emission factors, sourcing them from reputable sources like government agencies or industry associations. The fifth and arguably most common is overlooking Scope 3 emissions. Scope 3 emissions, which occur in an organisation's value chain, are often the largest contributor to its carbon footprint. Failing to account for these indirect emissions can severely underestimate your overall impact. To avoid this, identify and quantify your most significant Scope 3 emission sources, such as purchased goods and services, business travel, and raw material. The sixth is lack of quality assurance and control. Carbon accounting involves complex calculations and data management. Without proper quality assurance and control measures, errors can easily slip through. To avoid this, implement robust data verification processes, conduct regular internal audits, and consider seeking third-party verification to ensure the accuracy and credibility of your carbon account. Accurate carbon accounting is essential for organisations to develop effective emission reduction strategies and demonstrate their commitment to sustainability. By avoiding these common mistakes and following best practices in data collection, methodology and quality assurance, you can ensure that your carbon accounting efforts provide a reliable foundation for informed decision-making and progress towards your environmental goals.
If you found this short climate accounting video useful, we'd appreciate it very much if you left a like. And if you'd like to hear more nuggets on carbon accounting and more broadly on climate and climate tech, please do subscribe and click on the bell to enable notifications of when we upload. Finally, we offer the friendliest, easiest to follow climate accounting course in the world that requires no prior knowledge or expertise. So if you're looking to calculate the carbon footprint of your business or organisation, or you would like to charge clients to calculate their carbon emissions, we're offering this course with an exclusive 10% off if you use the code YouTube. For more information, see the link in the description or head to footprintconsulting.org/courses.